You may have wondered, what are the differences between buttercream versus cream cheese frosting? Though both are delicious, there are some key differences that set them apart. Buttercream versus cream cheese frosting. Two of the most popular frostings are buttercream and cream cheese frosting. Both are popular for their rich, creamy textures. When it comes to buttercream and cream cheese frostings, they both share a similar base and method of preparation. Both buttercream and cream cheese frosting contain powdered sugar, butter, and vanilla. Differences. In addition to butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla, buttercream generally contains heavy whipping cream or milk. This provides additional flavor while also making it a smooth, spreadable texture. Buttercream frosting is commonly used on chocolate, vanilla, and marble cakes. In addition, it is also popular on cookies and brownies. Cream cheese frosting contains full-fat cream cheese. It uses the block form of cream cheese, not the spreadable kind. This gives the frosting a delicious, tangy taste and creamy texture. Cream cheese frosting is popular on red velvet cake, carrot cake, pumpkin cake, and other spice cakes. It is also used on brownies and cookies as well. Types of buttercream frostings. Some people even consider cream cheese as a type of buttercream since it has a butter base. American buttercream. It is the most popular kind of buttercream. It is generally made of butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, heavy whipping cream or milk, and salt. It is soft and spreadable, with a rich, creamy texture. Swiss buttercream. Also known as Swiss meringue buttercream. It uses egg whites and sugar heated together over a boiler. Then, butter, vanilla, and salt are added to the egg white and sugar mixture. It is less sweet than American buttercream. French buttercream. It is made with a similar process to Italian buttercream, but uses egg yolks instead of egg white. French buttercream has a taste and consistency close to custard and pastry cream. German buttercream. It has a custard base. The custard base is then combined with butter to make the frosting. It has a consistency similar to whipped cream frosting. Types of cream cheese frostings. When it comes to cream cheese frosting, there are some different flavor combinations. Though traditional cream cheese is the most popular type, there is also chocolate, strawberry, white chocolate, and lemon. Importance of using room temperature ingredients. For both frostings, it is important to use room temperature ingredients. Cold butter and cream cheese can cause your frosting to curdle. Allow your cream cheese and butter to sit out for at least half an hour prior to making your frosting. It will be much easier to work with them, and they will incorporate much better into the other ingredients, creating a smooth, spreadable frosting. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.